What's going on, Lifestylepreneurs? Nick Anderson here with the man, the myth, the legend, James Beal.
I've been quiet for too long.
We're at the legendary marketer event. Apologize if my voice is a little shot. I've been doing a lot of speaking, a lot of talking, networking, masterminding, learning some really powerful stuff that's going to help you take your game to the next level. In this video, my man James, I want you to share your story with everyone and how you got your start in this industry. And quick thing, he's crushing it in his business right now. He did his first 10K month, and he's going to share some nuggets with you guys. And it's life-changing what's possible. You know, when you make a commitment and you take this seriously. You know, when you surround yourself with the right people that have what you want. And this guy is definitely the type of guy you want to surround yourself with, because not only does he have the passion, but he's got the purpose and he's got the nuggets, to bring to the table and the value for you to help you start crushing it in your business. So if you just want to share your quick story with everyone, why you even got started in this industry, and even you guys can see, obviously, Legendary Marketer, what we're doing together and we're working with as well.
Yeah, really believe in yourself and take the actions that's required, and trust me, it will happen for you guys.
Yeah, absolutely. So for you, even growing up, having a family, having a daughter, managing the business with the family, how is it, speaking to those people out there that have families, maybe they have an unsupportive spouse, husband, wife, or family members or relatives or anything that's telling them that this isn't going to work, or is that online marketing thing even real? What would you say to those out there to kind of help them push through that?
I'm glad you spoke on that, because as a matter of fact, at this event here, and by the way, this is my first event, and my wife's here with me, and I remember months back when she'd be like, you're spending too much time on that computer, aren't you? And I'll be like, well, yes, because I'm very serious about it. The long story short, she's here with me now, and she's a believer too, and she has her mindset also.
Absolutely, that's incredible. So take those, you guys, take those to the bank. You can cash those ideas out, So if there's anything else you want to share with them, any sort of knowledge nuggets, or even always plug,
Yeah,
how can they connect with you? Excuse me. How can they connect with you guys on connect with you on Facebook, social media, or anything?
James Beal. Hit me up on Facebook, James Beal, Instagram, James Beal 81. Give me a holler, and I'll be glad to get right back with you anytime.
That's what's up. So we appreciate you guys. Look forward to seeing you at the next event. We also look forward to seeing you guys on the beaches of the world.